Hey guys, we're going to be covering how to thread your 5-thread overlock machine. Today we're going to be working with the Pegasus MX3216. This is a 5-thread serger or overlock. If you look at the stitch out here, we can see the over edge using the 3 needles or the 3 threads. And then we have our separate safety stitch right here on the left side that's separate from the main body. Okay, so today we're going to be covering just how to thread step-by-step guide on the Pegasus MX3216. Okay, guys, so we're going to get right into it. If we look at the 4 tension dials right here, the first one, these are all color-coded, so you'd be able to see the color markings to help kind of guide your way. You also have a little thread guide right inside here showing you exactly which thread is supposed to go where. Okay, you could use that as a reference. All right, so the first tension dial, this one's going to be for your right needle. Okay, so you have 2 needles on this machine. You have your left one and your right one. Okay, the first one goes to your right needle. Second one goes to your left needle. This is what's doing the chain stitch. That's separate. Okay, this is going to be my upper looper and my bottom looper. Okay, so we're going to start off with the right side. We have our thread coming in from the thread post. It's got to go back to front in one of the holes. And then it's going to swivel back around, back to front again. So it kind of makes like a little S. Okay, once we get through there, it's going to go straight into a thread guide right above the tension dial. And from here, we want to make sure it goes in between the 2 discs. Okay, so it's just going to go all the way around to the right side. If we obviously go to the left, there's no tension that's applied. So we want to go in between the 2 discs. Want to make sure it goes all the way in the inside. And then top to bottom through the tension dial eyelet. From there, you have 2 little channels. We're going to focus on this one here. Top to bottom goes through the casting. Exits here, and you have these color marked icons that follow your tension dials. So we're going to go straight into here, top to bottom. Right to left. Right to left. And this is where it gets a little tricky. It goes straight up into the lower looper from this point. Okay. So from this point, it goes front to back inside the lower looper. And it's very difficult to kind of get in here behind this looper to thread it back to front again. So what I do is I rotate the hand wheel to bring the looper all the way to the left side. And then from here, we would be able to grab that back thread and then loop it in back to front. And then move it back over to the right side. Grab the thread and then put it front to back through the eye of the looper. Okay, once this is set, you want to get this thread underneath the upper looper inside this little tiny pocket right here and just have that thread sticking straight to the back side like that. So if we have all of our threads out of the way underneath or on top of the foot, this is going to prevent it from jamming up or slipping out, and you have to pretty much thread, you have to thread it one more time through the looper if it pulls out. Second one we're going to be doing is the upper looper. Okay, same thing from the thread stand. Same concept. It's going to go through this first little eyelet. We want to make the little S swivel. And through the eyelet, top to bottom. Same thing like we did with the lower looper, in between the discs. If you have to open it, open it. Make sure it goes all the way in the middle. Bottom guide, top to front, top down. And it's going to go through the casting here. Okay, now this one is color-coded yellow. So we're going to follow all of the yellow notches, or the marks. First one is right here on the top side. Top down. And right to left. Okay, this is where most people kind of get a little mixed up. So some people just go straight in. We don't want to do that. Go through the top eyelet. And then this comes down into this bottom eyelet. Just like that. Okay, so we want this little staggered type of look. From there, it's going to go straight up into the eyelet right before it goes into the upper looper. Okay. Then from here, we're going to go ahead and move the looper, rotate the hand wheel so it brings the looper closest to the thread guide. Okay, right to left. And from here, just going to go outside of the eye of the looper.